Hey, I hope you guys are going well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Christmas elf from Stumble Guys. Let's start with a circle for his head. So if the circle is that big, the body is roughly going to be the same sort of height there, and his arms are going to come out there, like so, and roughly here. So these construction lines or guidelines are really helpful. And then his feet are going to come out roughly sort of this, well, they are this height. These are the proportions. Once we have our construction lines, we can start with the details, and I'm going to start by drawing on the hat. So it's going to be a line like this, curve line coming around because that's part of the hat, and then this part comes out and around like this. Try and keep that all the same distance, and because he's looking more this way, we will see his eyes will be over this way a little bit more. Now he does have a little bit of hair sneaking down the front here, so I'm just going to bring a little bit of brown hair there, and we're going to have a little pointy ear here coming down and around like this because he is an elf. He's got the pointy ears, and because he's looking that way, we're going to see more of this ear, so a little bit more of an ear like shape like this in here, and then a little bit of brown hair there, and we're going to bring a little bit of brown hair on that side. So each side is a piece of brown hair just coming down out from the hat. Now let's draw a big ball here, a big circle, and we're going to make that a bell. So we're going to put a line through the middle, put a line coming up here like this, and then this is his hat that comes up and over like that. So there's the Christmas elf's hat and head. Now we've got to put his eyes on, so we're going to put one here, one, and then the other one's going to be here, two, and we can colour those in. Try and keep them the same size and the same height. Now we're going to put a couple of little lines down for the neck and a little curve like this. Now it's time to put on the red part, so line out each side for the shoulders. We're going to put a dot here. Okay, so what we're doing is going to create an angle like this, and then the shirt comes up and across. This one does the same, it comes up and across. It's almost like a cool collar. Now we have a little button, so circle there. Then he has a belt, so a square, followed by a smaller square. Now the belt's going to come around here. Try and keep the belt the same height as that part, the inner square, coming around like this. And we're going to do the same on the other side. How cool are elves? My kids are looking forward to having the elf on the shelf come and visit. We're going to bring a line up here for the edge of the body, and the same on this side. The arm or the hand is going to be here, so we're just going to draw a curve, and then he's got a little red cuff on his shirt like this, and then a little gap there, and then this just comes up and joins up to there. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Hand curve like this, then a little cuff on the shirt, and then we're going to join that up to there, and then we're just going to bring this one a little back in there. So there's a little bit of a gap there on each side. If you don't have a gap, that's okay. Now let's finish off his shirt by coming down and then bringing it into a slight point there, and then back up and around like that, and then back up to make sure that lines up down through there. Okay, it's time for the leg. So we're going to bring one around like a curve like that, and then another curve around like so. Then we're going to put some stripes on. 1, 2, and then another line there. He's got like red and white stripes on. 1, 2, 3, and we'll leave that there. Now his boots have a little top, so we're going to bring a curve around like that there, and then a curve around like this here. This is the top of the boot, and then this one's going to come this way, and then this one's going to come the other way around like this. And if we want to put a sole on, we can just bring another little line like that around there, and another little line like that around there. And there we have the Christmas elf from Stumble Guys, looking really cool, ready to colour in. I'm just going to outline him with a 1mm one to make him stand out, and I'm just going to speed that